Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to apply for Wells Fargo credit card. First, go to wellsfargo.com. Here, simply click on credit cards on the dashboard. Click on the view all credit card. Now simply scroll down and choose a credit card that you want. After choosing what credit card you want, simply click on apply now. You will be directed into a new tab. Here on the new tab, you can simply tick this one if you have an account to pre-fill the following. But if you don't have an account, fill up the following details that are needed. After you fill it out, tick the boxes, submit it, and that's it.